Have you ever dreamed of working in Germany, but thought you needed a job offer first? Well, big news. In 2025, Germany is rolling out its brand new opportunity card, and you don't need a job offer to get started. Let me break down exactly how this works step by step. So what is the opportunity card? It's a points-based visa designed for skilled non-EU job seekers who want to live and work in Germany. Instead of needing a job before you arrive, you use your skills, education, and even language abilities to rack up points. If you score enough, you get the card and the freedom to job hunt in Germany for up to a year. Here's how you qualify. First, you need a recognized degree or professional qualification. Second, you must prove you can support yourself financially while you look for work. Third, you'll be scored on things like your age, professional experience, German or English language skills, and whether you've been to Germany before. The more points you get, the better your chances. Let's say you're under 35, fluent in English, and have a degree. Great! Add any German language skills, work experience, or if you've studied in Germany before, and you'll likely meet the minimum points. Once you're in, you can take up to 20 hours a week of part-time work while job hunting, so you don't have to drain your savings. If you land a job, you can then switch to a regular work visa without leaving the country. Simple, right? So, if you've been searching for a way into Europe's biggest economy, this is your golden ticket. Start prepping your documents, brush up on your skills, and get ready. Because Germany's opportunity card might just be your chance to start a brand new chapter. Hit subscribe for more guides like this, and good luck with your journey abroad.